Hey guys, take a look at this amazing mini steam engine. Even though it's small, it works just like a real steam-powered machine from the past. Here's how it works. Water is heated to create steam, and that steam builds pressure. The pressure then pushes a piston back and forth, which spins this flywheel. And boom, that's how mechanical energy is created. This is actually the same basic technology that powered early trains, factories, and ships during the Industrial Revolution. What's really cool is how smooth and precise this tiny engine runs. It's like holding history in your hands. Would you try building one of these? Let me know in the comments.